To enable or disable knocking show notification icon pages in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe up home screen to access the app screen, and then select settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, and then the settings icon. Scroll the settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Tap heading enhancements, and then select show notifications. Tap settings, and then tap show notification are active if you turn on show notification, and if turn off, tap show notification are paused. And then turn on live transcript and show notifications. If off, tap show notification switch until blue to turn on, and then tap knocking. And then to enable app icon pages, tap app icon pages switch until blue, or to disable, tap switch until black or until white. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.